400-calorie meal look like?
And is it satisfying?
Well, we're going to share our favorite
444 meals of the week.
Now, my favorite over here that you'll see is the Pear Gorgonzola salad. It comes already,
packaged.
Yeah, it's already packaged, and you can buy it at the grocery store. It has everything in it that you need, but actually, I use the entire package, and I use 3 ounces of the Kirkland hand-pulled rotisserie chicken, which is 110 calories, and it adds up nicely to just about 400 calories. Delicious, satisfying, and it makes me feel full for a long time.
Yeah, I love that Kirkland chicken. Actually, you buy it at Costco where they make those rotisserie chickens, and the ones that they don't sell, they pull apart and they put all the breast meat together, and it's only 100 calories a serving. And so we love
very versatile.
Oh my gosh, we love adding that to those salads.
So do you have a favorite?
My favorite is the omelet I made yesterday. I used 2 eggs, and then I had already stir-fried a little bit of mushrooms and onions in 1 teaspoon of olive oil, and I scooped that in on top of my eggs, and also added 4 tablespoons of whipped cream cheese and spinach. I melted it, folded it over, had that with 1 cup of fresh blackberries and a cup of coffee with 1 tablespoon of creamer, and altogether that was about 400 calories, and it was delicious.
So, which would you choose? A. Jeff's Pear Gorgonzola salad with rotisserie chicken, or
B. Gina's mushroom and spinach omelet.
let us know in the comments below, and we'll tell you the winner next week.
So this has been
444 meals of the week.
Thanks for watching. Please click to subscribe and click the bell to be notified when we post new Anchor Moments videos.